How to add a location in Google Maps? Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Google Map. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in this page, now click on the specific page or the spot that you want to add it on the Google Map. Once you have clicked on it, swipe left and then tap on Add Label. Now enter the name for the location. Once you have entered, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. But the location that you have entered will only be visible to you on your Google Map. No one will be able to view this map. But if you want to add a location for everyone, then what you want to do is go back and click on your profile at the top right corner. Tap on Add a Missing Place. It will be landing you on this page. So from here, you can officially add a location on Google Map. First of all, enter the place name. Select the category and also enter the address. After that, tap on Edit Map Location. Now you have to place the pin in the exact spot or the place that you want to add a location. Once you have placed it, tap on Done at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Submit at the bottom right corner. Once you have submitted, they will check if the location or the place that you want to add on the Google Map is professional and official or not. If it seems professional, then the location will be successfully added on Google Map and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add location on Google Map. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.